After receiving mixed feedback on their initial graphics cards, Intel is ready to change the game with a new competitor that guarantees to elevate mid-range gaming and more. Recent leaks have given a promising preview of the upcoming features of the Battlemage, which blends advanced technology with carefully thought-out design improvements. Will 24 Xe2 cores load with an improved memory setup? Let's have a brief look at Intel's newest GPU offering. According to reports, Intel's Battlemage architecture will be integrated into the upcoming Lunar Lake SoCs, with the first dedicated GPUs expected to launch by the end of this year. This comes after a somewhat underwhelming debut with their first generation of discrete GPUs, where Intel faced tough competition from industry giants like NVIDIA and AMD. However, the Battlemage architecture is set to change the game, offering significant improvements in both performance and efficiency. The leaked specifications suggest that the Battlemage GPU with 24 Xe2 cores will deliver around 15 teraflops of single-precision performance and will operate at a base clock of 1.8 GHz. This positions the GPU as a solid mid-range contender, reportedly 50% faster than the RX 750 but still slightly behind AMD's RX 6800 and NVIDIA's RTX 3070 Ti. The 192-bit bus and 12 GB of 19 Gbps memory result in a bandwidth of 456 GB per second, which should comfortably handle next-generation games, particularly as developers like Epic Games recommend 12 GB of VRAM for optimal performance. One of the more intriguing aspects of this leak is the shift in memory configuration. Unlike the previous RX 750 and a 770, which used a 256-bit interface, the Battlemage GPU opts for a more mainstream 192-bit interface with 12 GB of memory. While this reduces memory bandwidth compared to its predecessors, the increase in VRAM more than compensates for this, aligning it with other mid-range GPUs like the RTX 4070 Super and RX 7700 XT. As Intel looks to regain its footing in the GPU market, the Battlemage architecture represents a critical step forward. These GPUs are expected to offer substantial improvements over the previous generation, particularly in areas like AI processing and ray tracing capabilities. In fact, in integrated form, Battlemage is rumored to be 1.5 times faster than the Arc Alchemist graphics found in Intel's current Meteor Lake chips. Intel's roadmap for Battlemage includes three main GPU models, the BMG 31, 10, and 21, each with varying Xe2 core counts. The flagship BMG G31 is expected to feature 32 cores, making it a formidable competitor in the high-end market. While the fate of the G10 model remains uncertain, the G21 and G31 versions promise to offer a range of options for consumers, catering to different performance needs. The Battlemage GPUs are poised to challenge AMD and NVIDIA in the mid-range to high-end segments. While NVIDIA may not release its next-generation offerings until 2025, Intel and AMD appear to be focused on delivering the best performance per watt and price-performance ratios, particularly for 1440p and 4K gaming. The new architecture is projected to deliver a 1.5x improvement in performance over the Alchemist series, with enhanced ray tracing and memory speeds. With the first Battlemage GPUs expected to arrive in 2025 and the architecture debuting in Lunar Lake chips later this year, Intel is clearly positioning itself to be a major player in the GPU market. Thanks for watching. We are also eager to hear from you from your side. Subscribe and let us know what else you know and your expectations from the first Battlemage GPU.